So you want to make your Snapchat account more secure to basically prevent strangers and hackers from gaining access to your account. Today in this video, I'll show you how can you make your Snapchat account more secure. First, open Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat, and let's make sure we have the app installed from the official store. And also make sure it is updated for everything to work properly. Quit from here. After that, go ahead and open Snapchat. Here we are in Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account, and we need to head out to settings. So first go into conversations, tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen right here, and from your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. At the top of settings, you find these information, your account information. Basically, these are sensitive information and you should not leak them or let anyone, especially strangers on the internet, know about them to prevent them from gaining access to your account by any other means. Second, go to the two-factor authentication category here and make sure I have at least one option turned on. As you can see, I have the SMS verification turned on right here, and if you are wondering if somebody has access to your account, you can tap on Forget Devices, and if you find any device that you are unfamiliar with and you do not know, just tap on the X option next to it and it will be removed from here and it will be logged off from that account. Now, make sure your app is installed from official store. If you are using Android, it is installed from Play Store. For iPhones, it is App Store to make sure the app is official and has no malware in it. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.